Hello viewers, welcome to RR EduVits. The second phase in the 5-step design thinking process is define. The focus during this particular phase is about synthesizing all that information collected during the previous phase, then defining the point of view and reframing the problem. This phase is a converging phase, unlike the previous one, which was diverging in nature. The tools that can be used for synthesizing the information or data points are affinity diagrams, share inspiring stories, create frameworks, and storyboarding. The tools for unearthing the patterns amongst the data points that have been collected and also understanding the connect amongst the data points, we have the following. Requirement statement, why, how laddering, mental modeling, power of 10, comparative analysis, leap to insights. In fact, these tools helps the designers or design thinkers to move more closer towards arriving at the real world solutions. Reframing the problem is the most challenging task for the design thinkers, as it involves moving away from the world of observations to a concisely stated point of view. The point of view can be obtained from empathic understanding of the user group and also gaining insight into a need that the group has. The two important tools for this are point of view and how might we. Thank you viewers for watching RR EduVits. I request you all to like, share and subscribe to RR EduVits. Namaste.